Hey kids, oh my gosh, I have the coolest video to show you. I want you to watch it really closely and then try and figure out what we're looking at. I'm going to ask you, what the heck is this? Yeah, that video was cool, wasn't it? And yeah, I agree. It did kind of look like one of those snakes that you get at fireworks places, little black things, and black snakes that it totally looked like that. But anyway, we now know, yes, some of you got it right. There was a volcano, underwater volcano, and it was spewing out lava, super hot lava, but then we watched it cooling very instantly, even crackling and making some cool sounds. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're going to start talking about. And I'm going to show you an image, and I really want you to dive deeply into this image with me as we make sure we label it very detailed and very accurate. Okay, so here it is. We're going to be as accurate as we can be. Maybe we don't know what everything's called exactly, but let's go ahead and look around and let's label absolutely everything. Okay, you tell me, and I'm going to post it right here so we can all see it, and you guys will agree upon what these things are. Yeah, so that was good. We definitely noticed the smoke. This is probably a volcano. There's a number 1 under there. Okay, that's probably the ground right there in the sky and water. And someone said, "Is that the ocean?" Yeah, it's a really thin blue line there, but is that supposed to be the ocean? I don't know. So it's almost maybe a question in a label, but yeah, I think we did a pretty good job. Let's leave this posted right here so we can all see it, so that if we end up seeing other images, we know what these parts are called. So in fact, I am going to show you another image. This was image 1. Now I'm going to show you image 2. What I want you to do is notice the differences between image 1 and image 2. On your own paper, I want you to write down what you see that is different. So here's image 1 and here comes image 2. What do you see that's different? Put it down on your paper right now. Okay, as I walked around, I saw a lot of good lists being created, the differences between image 1 and image 2. I'm going to show you another image now. This is image 3. Do the very same thing. What are the differences between image 2 and image 3? And put it on your paper. All right, so that was great. I walked around, noticed some people even noticing the differences in sizes of some of these volcanoes. We labeled it volcano in image 1, and 1, 2, 3. We see 3 volcanoes now. I agree. I see a lot of that on papers. I see some of you noticed that 1 million years later it keeps popping up on the bottom of the slide, which means time is going on. And I appreciate everybody noticing that change. Now here's the real challenge. On the handout that I provided you, you probably now see what we're going with this. I want you to predict what the next image would look like. So here's your handout. What would the next image look like? Label your model to explain what is happening. And by the way, while you do that, why don't you write down some of the limitations of this model? Because we've learned all models have limitations. But what would this 4th image look like? Go ahead. Complete your model. Be very detailed and explain with as much detail as you can on what you're seeing.